Hello, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. I hope you are ready to tackle the markets with enthusiasm today. Before we dive into the heart of our discussion, let's take a moment for a quick but important reminder. The insights we share on this channel are purely for educational purpose. Futures trading involves risk, and it is crucial to do your homework or seek advice from a professional before making any financial move. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into the meat of today's market trend and our predictions. Let's start with the vegetable oil markets. Overnight, the overnight you saw the soybean oil for May drop by 0.56 to 48.18, indicating a lower closing for soybean futures. Meanwhile, over in Italy, the China markets, the most active formal contract saw an increase of 22 points, reaching 8184. In Malaysia, the Bursa Malaysia palm oil futures started strong but edged lower on Tuesday, influenced by the lack of new market catalysts and the weakness observed in the both Dalian and Chicago soy oils market. The FCPO futures contract for the June fell by 35 points, landing at 4201. Given the mixed performance in Dalian oil and soybean oil, the STPO could see some fluctuations and we are anticipating a potential short-term retracements to be continued with the support expected to hold above 4209 range. If this level are able to sustain, we expect the price to be continue going up. However, if it is fail to maintain above this threshold, we might witness the support level dipping to the 4155 to 4150 range. Okay, so for those who are looking for today trading plan, consider this. Short position may be viable below 4220, targeting at 4174 and 4161, with the stop loss at 4250. On the flip side, long positions could be considered above 4220, aiming for 4236 to 49, and a stop loss at 4190. For support and resistance, keep an eye on the support area between 4198 to 4200, which is very crucial and important rate level, and the resistance level at 4234 to 36 range. All right, now we are moving into the next market. For FKLI, the indexes, moving on to the index, we saw the overnight Dow Jones rise by 320 points. The spotlight was on the Wall Street major indexes, which closed higher on the Tuesday. This uptick came after shares in Nvidia rebounded from early losses, with investors eagerly awaiting the Federal Reserve policy meeting conclusions on Wednesday for an interest rate close. Closer to home, the Bursa Malaysia benchmark FMKLI index ended on a lower note, breaking its three-day winning streak. This was in line with the subdued performance across the region, with the futures FKI for March falling by 5.5 points to 1546. So we follow the bullish performance US markets. We might see the FKI moving within a range. The index is likely to hovering in a sideways trading for the moment. We see the index still in the range and waiting to either break up or break lower. So with the immediate resistance, we spotted at 1557 to 59 level, and a support at 1540 to 1539. So for index, the bigger picture will remain bullish, remain positive. Yes. So for today trading plans in the index market, consider short positions below 1548 with targets at 1540 to 34 and a stop loss at 1553. Alternatively, the long positions could be more favorable above 1548, targeting at 1555 to 63 with the stop loss at 1543. And that wraps up our morning trading recommendations. I remember the markets are always changing, so stay informed and ahead of the curve. We're here to help you navigate these waters, but always make sure to conduct your own research and consult with a professional. Happy trading and see you in the next sessions.